Self-care and wellness are essential aspects of personal development. They are the foundation upon which all other aspects of personal growth and improvement are built. Without proper self-care and wellness, it is difficult to maintain the energy, focus, and motivation needed to achieve our goals and aspirations. Self-care is the practice of taking care of oneself, both physically and mentally. This includes activities such as exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep. It also includes taking the time to relax and unwind, to engage in activities that bring joy and pleasure, and to nurture relationships with loved ones. Wellness is a holistic approach to health and well-being that goes beyond the absence of illness. It encompasses physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. This includes activities such as meditation, yoga, and mindfulness practices, as well as therapy and counseling to work through any emotional or mental health issues that may be present. Both self-care and wellness play a crucial role in managing stress and emotions. When we take care of ourselves, we build resilience and the ability to cope with stressors. When we engage in activities that nourish our well-being, we create a sense of balance and inner peace. Self-care and wellness also have a positive impact on our relationships. When we are in a good place mentally and emotionally, we are better able to connect with others, to communicate effectively, and to build strong, supportive relationships. Incorporating self-care and wellness into our daily lives can be challenging, especially in a fast-paced, highly connected world. It is important to be mindful of the importance of self-care and wellness, and to make it a priority in our lives. This could involve setting aside time for self-care activities, such as exercise or meditation, and making healthy choices when it comes to food and sleep. It may also mean learning to say no to commitments and activities that do not align with our well-being. Self-care and wellness are not only important for personal development, but also for overall well-being and satisfaction. By making self-care and wellness a priority, we set ourselves up for success in achieving our personal and professional goals, and for living a happy, fulfilled life.